Nasema Beni, abalabe mkono ku Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Kola wote kufanya chini chako kwa wote. Yeah. Zakaria anaweka. Lakini mimi sasa musikilize. Tukende tukumendo Mungu. Kuna na pande kwa kai wakati mbe. Kati mwanza mtakula uluje ndewe. Uliamuka wada mdogo kwa sebali. Mzenye sumule na watu kaomba na sana kazi. Wewe ndio unanielewa.
Does anybody know Abononya? Bajimanyi. You know Abononya? You know Abononya? Everybody, you know Abononya? Everybody knows Abononya come from me. What do I see on TV, Victoria? El Labaji. Robinson. Oh, Musema. My husband. Oh, Musema. My husband on national television. Do you know what he was doing? He was walking. Sumanyanga, I'm single. Sumanyanga, searching. So Joy is money I live where I went, oh my God.
Normally.
At first I didn't recognize him. Then the camera started from the downport. It zoomed into the hooves. I was like, these are my husband's hooves. Then I stayed on Mukeke. Then it went up. I looked at the midsection. That is my area of speciality. This might be my Robinson. Then my heart started pumping like this. It went up. It went up to the jaws that I bought him. The last time I went to Dubai, I bought him a jaws. This is what he was wearing. Then it zoomed in the face. I saw the signature tune of their family. The nose. I was Tafiakwa. This is my husband. Then they pulled out their face and they saw your Robinson Wong.
So now what are we going to do?
I don't know what to do. But you know what? We Nigerian women, we do not whine when our men cheat on us.
You don't cry?
Unless
what have you been crying?
Unless I'm not Obina, daughter of Okonkoko, granddaughter of Okereke. He's going to see me in a new dimension.
What are you going to do?
I planned for him.
What?
I am going to cut off.
Cut off? Mama Robinson Inga food. I am going to
cut off the offender. But before I do that, you know when I called him, he's not going to do it again. He swore upon his ancestors. Then I'm like, I'm not stupid. Then I set a trap. I want to catch him ready-handed to bring a beautiful chick to see if he cannot resist it.
Why are you waking up a sleeping dog?
What?
Why is he waking up a sleeping dog?
I want to see whether it bites.
Let me call this.
Where is this boy? What is this Mumu? Where is this Mumu? Where are you?
Ebichi byembakuwa musirusiru gwe byenjageza kuyisamu ebikate chichi osaba tuli kubintabya magezi mjala irobizi ba hotel mumba ngwe koje ile kama tele sasa kwa musiru kwa kugamba kuja kuzuza ndio ndio tunaona kama ni bwana kwa kwa kwa
Ngobe badebe tumekusaba kati kwenyiza kusaba.
Obadde osabachi.
Kali kwa badoma nyi. Ngamba nguddenyo. Nsaba chichi. Nsaba kesi zange weya zikaluliko ogende masaka.
Kati batayinza kukinga manga tulieni pale batoyina kukinga.
Kati batozileta atugende pale nakugenza. Pakesi.
Bakubuzi oli.
Where is that girl? I don't have time, eh?
Yeah.
Wa mulese wa mutadi.
No, that girl.
Yeah.
Tamanyiru.
Tafiakwa.
Wali. What is wala chimolese?
No, Sharon.
Sharon?
Yeah.
What Sharon?
Sharon.
Sharon O.
Sharon.
Yesu akulese.